Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to archive a group on WhatsApp using the updated method. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Start by launching the WhatsApp application on your Android smartphone or tablet. Locate the WhatsApp icon and tap to open the app. 2. Long press on the group you want to archive until you see a small green tick appear next to the user picture. Find the group chat that you wish to archive and long press on it. Hold your finger on the group chat until a small green tick appears next to the user picture, indicating that the group has been selected. 3. Tap on the archive button at the top of the screen. Once you have selected the group chat, look for the archive button at the top of the screen. Tap on the archive button to move the group chat to the archive chat section, keeping it out of your main chat list. By following these steps, you can easily archive a group on WhatsApp using your Android device. Archiving a group chat helps you declutter your chat list by storing less active or important groups in the archive chat section. Thank you for watching, and enjoy organizing your WhatsApp groups by archiving them with these straightforward steps.